In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we did this accent wall with board and batten design. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. Now, the first thing, you want to decide what width board you're going to use for your board and batten design. That will be determined by the size of your wall. We've got a pretty big wall with a 12-foot ceiling, so we wanted to go with a 1x4. You may want to go with a 1x3. You start off by applying your base coat of paint to the wall. I had to find the studs. We purchased the 1x4 and then we cut it to length. Then I used my Ryobi cordless brad nailer to hold the 1x4 in place. I did the top 1x4 first.
But if you don't mind the gap.
Then I was smart and I set up a stop block so every cut would be the same length. And nailed and glued it into place.
You don't have to bunch.
Then it's time for the next row. I used a laser level to cast a line where all the studs were.
The boards are not too wide.
Then once all the 1x4 is in place, then it's time to apply wood putty and fill up your nail holes and cracks. Then it's time to sand off your wood putty smooth and apply your coat of paint. We wanted a nice even finish on the face, so we ended up painting it with a roller. And just like that, the whole face of the room has changed. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. I hope this helps. For more tips and tricks like this one, click the image on your screen now.